Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 7th, chapter 3rd decimal, and now we are going to do exercise 3C. So dear student, let's see this exercise. In this exercise from question number 1 to question number 6, we have to find the product. So let's see this question number 1. This question number 1, there are many parts in this question number 1. There are 6 sub questions. In each question there are few decimal number like this. Question number first. Question number first का first sub question. This 73.92 into 10. See dear student, when we will multiply by 10, then the decimal will shift toward the right. When we will multiply a number, let's see like this. Suppose you are having a number to 23.463, and if you will multiply this number by 10, then this decimal will shift in this direction, at right direction. Means if you will multiply by 10, the decimal will come to here, and if you will multiply by 100, the decimal will come to 2 digit right. Okay. Similarly, if you will divide this number by 10, then the decimal will shift in left direction. So here the answer will be, this is 739.2. Okay, and here we have to multiply it by 100, so the decimal will shift 2 decimal places, and this will be 239.7. okay, and here the decimal will shift in 3 digit, so this decimal point will shift to here, and it will be 6731.4. and here we have to multiply this number, so we have to multiply 5.6 by 16. See the students, this question number 4, first question, 5.6 multiplied by 16, so what it will be? So read the table of 16. 16 6 96, 96 to 6, carry 9, 16 5 80, 80 and 9, 89, so 89. 1 point, decimal is at 1 point, so 1 point per decimal. Okay, hope you are understood how we are doing this. Okay, similarly see this question number 5 to the first question. This is 7.6 multiplied by 2.4. So here this is 7.6 and this is 2.4, and we have to multiply. So we will just multiply these number as a ordinary number. Suppose this is it is 76 and this is 24, and you have to multiply it. So let's multiply it and then we will see it. So इनको बिल्कुल इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि सपोज दे आर नॉट हैविंग डेसिमल. अभी हम लोग डेसिमल को छोड़ करके इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर विदाउट कंसिडरिंग द डेसिमल. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई इट. 4 6 जा 24 टू द 4 कैरी हो गया 2, 4 7 जा 28 एंड 28 एंड 2 30, सो इट 30. ओके, एंड 2 6 जा 12 का 2 कैरी हो गया 1, 2 7 जा 14 and 1 15. So it will be, this is 4, this is 2 and 5 and 3 8 and this is 1. So answer will be 1824. And what will be the decimal places? So one place from here and one place from here, so it will be 2 place. So their decimal places should be added. Hope you are understood how we are doing this. Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 7 and 8 says evaluate. See this question number 7 to the first question and second question. What it will be? 1.2 का whole square, means it will be 1.2 into 1.2. So let's multiply this 1.2 and 1.2 without considering the decimal. If you will not consider this, then it will be 12 and 12, and 12 it will be 144, and what it will be? So we will put decimal at 2 point. So here 1 point from here and 1 point from here, so it will be 1.4 4. Hope you are understood how we are doing this. And see this is 0.7 into 0.7, and it will be 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49, and now it will be decimal at 2 point, because 1 point from here and 1 point from here, so it will be 0.49. Similarly, see this question, 0.05 to the whole square, and what it will be, this is 0.05 into 0.05, and it will be 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, and now how many point the decimal place will be, so 2 place from here and 2 place from here, so it will be 4 place, and it is 2 digit only, so 0 and 0 and 0.0, so 4 places decimal, and this will be the answer. Hope you are getting my point. Now we are moving to the next question. See, there are many word problems are here. See this question number 9. Question number 9. Question 9 says that a bus can cover 62 km in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 8 hours? So this question number 9. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 62.5 kilometer. Okay. So distance covered in 18 hours. So distance covered in 18 hours is equal to, this is 62.5 kilometer into 18. So we have to just multiply these two numbers, and this will be our answer. Hope you are getting my point. So just multiply, and this will be answer in kilometer. Okay. So let's multiply it. 18 5 ja 90, and 90 to the 0. Okay. Now 18 2 ja 36. 18 2 ja 36. 36 and 9. 36 and 9. It will be 45. 45 to the 5. Carry हो गया 4. Now 18 6 ja. What it will be? 18 5 ja 90 and 108. 18 6 ja 108. 108 में हम 5 ऐड करेंगे तो 113. So this is 1135 kilometer. Hope you are understood. Now we are moving to the next question. See this question number 12. Question number 12. So these every word problem here is based on multiplication. You have to just write the statement as per your question. As per your question, you write the statement and see that in each and every question you have to multiply. Okay, see this question number 12. Find the weight of 16 bag of sugar if each bag weighs 48.450 kg. So here basically it is asking the weight of 16 bag. Weight of each bag is equal to 48.450 kg. Okay. Now weight of 16 bag is equal to 16 into 48.450 kg. So you have to just multiply. Again you have to read the table of 16. So dear student, kindly learn this table of 16 and multiply and write the answer in kg. Okay. So hope you can do all these questions. So rest all question you can do. Okay. Let me tell you one more question. Question number 16. What is this question number 16? See. Question number 16. 1 kg rice cost 56.8 rupees. What is the cost of 16.25 kg of rice? Okay, so basically cost of 1 kg of rice is equal to 56.80 rupees. Okay, so what will be the cost of 16.25 kg of rice is equal to 16.25 multiplied by 56.80. 56.80. So you have to multiply these two number and this will be the answer. Okay, so multiply this number and write the answer. So in this way you will solve each and every question in this exercise 3C. Hope you are very clear about it. Thanks for watching.